What's that movie where they make the documentary of the ghosts and stuff? That's what it looked like on my camera.
How would it scare you when you know who it is, though?
Cause it's still scary.
Hit you in the room? Go in there alone.
I ain't going in there. You crazy?
You want to go in there?
No, you go in there.
I wish I had
Tell me what happened.
I wish I could scare him back, though. Man, I'm scaring somebody.
It better not be me.
Nah, for real, though, like, I'm getting mad.
You can't scare me. I don't know.
Huh?
Cut the light on.
I don't know. That was bad.
Don't you go in there by yourself and leave me out
Man,
here.
you straight? Hey, I didn't think you were going to be that close, though. I say you, Mom.
Gone. Gone.